mother is a very wonderful woman. She said exactly what I had in mind.
Ikenna, how can you think of something like that?
Why won't I?
Really? Chinelo is a local girl.
And does love know if one is local or not? What matters is that she's a good girl, and your mother likes her a lot. And do you even know that most people think she's your mother's daughter?
Ikenna, like I said, she's too local for me.
That is even when it's sweeter. Local love is sweet, it's raw and undiluted. Trust me.
Ikenna, I am not ready for love. Besides, I don't want to have anything to do with Chinelo. Yes.
Okay. But I will still tell you, local love is sweet. Like, it's very sweet. You need to try it.
Local love indeed. My mother tell you anything?
Anything like what?
I mean, did both of you discuss?
We always discuss different things, but I don't know the one in particular.
Don't worry.
She told you something.
Just forget about it.
Tell me now.
Mama?
No.
After a deep thought, I have decided to start up a rental business. I plan to rent out chairs, local coolers, plates, spoons.
Now that's a good one. But you know you need money for this. Besides, it can be quite stressful.
I know. I also intend to lease out Papa's palm plantation so I can raise some money to start up the business.
Okay.
Yes.
But you will still need a shop and probably someone to help you with the running around.
Exactly. Yes, ma'am. Mama, my target is actually some of the villagers because I know they're always celebrating one thing or the other. It's either they are celebrating maybe an occasion or something, maybe burial ceremony and all of that. So yes. Okay. So, but then again, I'll find someone to help me out because I know it will be very stressful to start up the business.
Well, the idea is good. That's a good one.
I'm still very surprised. If someone had told me Cynthia would do that to me, I'd never believe that. I used to think we were even married because of how close we were. But I guess it's all in the past now.
I'm so sorry about your experience. Maybe God has another plan for you.
So tell me about yourself. I hardly know anything about you.
There's nothing about me. I don't really have much to say about me. I lost my mother 5 years ago. I lost my father 9 years ago. And it's just myself and my younger brother, Eluta.
Sister, I'm hungry. Is there any food in the house?
Ikego. I'm very hungry too.
Huh?
And there's no food at home. I don't even have money. What are we going to do? Ever since we lost Papa, we've been suffering. We're even finding it very difficult to feed.
Why is all this thing happening now? Why now? I don't even have 100 naira in this house. Eh? Why is all this happening now?
I don't know. The question is, what are we going to do? What is the way forward? Eh?
Sister? Sister, wait. What about the cassava we planted before Papa died?
So what are we supposed to do with cassava?
Yay! Sister, are you the one asking this question? See, those cassava we planted, we can actually uproot them and sell them. Sell them, and from there we can get money to feed.
I don't know you're this brilliant, oh.
Hey.
Let's go now. What are we still waiting for? Let's go. Let's get to the farm.
Yes.
Let me bring cutlass.
Okay.
Hey. My uncle took everything we have from us. Everything my father left for us. That was how we resorted to doing menial jobs.
Very sure.
Don't break that cassava. I know you've not eaten, but why oh? Let me see. Try.
Yes, sir.
What money?
He said that I believe good money will come out.
Try.
Right, sister. Look at this one.
Try. My own is the biggest. That's why it's taking time to come out.
Should I come and help you?
Don't worry.
Okay.
Come and see. See, it's like yam.
What are you two church rats doing in my farm?
Uncle, good afternoon.
What? You two church rats, what are you doing in my land?
Uncle, good afternoon.
Will you keep your dirty mouth? Shut that your dirty mouth and keep that your stupid greetings to yourself. Someone told me that he saw both of you entering this land. And the question is, what are you doing here?
We are uprooting our cassava.
Who gave you the authority to uproot it?
Uncle, do we need permission to enter our father's land and uproot cassava?
That we planted though.
May thunder strike that your stupid mouth. Listen, if I see you here in this land again, you will see what I'll do to you.
Uncle, this is our father's land. We cultivated this cassava we are uprooting right now.
Yes.
Why are you trying to intimidate us?
Your father there. If I ever see you in this land again, then you will know that I'm a madman. Stupid.
Uncle, we are just respecting you. Uncle, where are you? What are you doing with our cassava?
Your cassava.
Uncle, but we're the ones that planted this cassava now.
Listen, this is my land. Huh? That's right. Your father.
Uncle, where are you taking our cassava?
What do you think I'm doing?
My eyes are fixed on you, Lord. Oh yeah, my pride.
So from here to this place, then get to the other point, and then please, I need a clean job.
That one is not a problem. So, this is our job. We know how to do it.
Nice one.
Yeah, but the only problem we have is you have to add something to the money.
That's not a
You
problem.
know the place is bushy.
Very bushy. Mama Ngozi, see this place if you're supposed to bring caterpillar. But because we are very strong and professionals, we will be able to clear everywhere and give you a clean job. Oh,
Once you're done with the job, I will do something about that.
Thank you. How about food?
Food is not a problem. As far as you're working for me, I'll get you the food. What kind of food do you want?
Apple, no phone, no bitter leaf soup.
What's not going? Apple. Okay, what apple? Go, Mama, go to the man.
I'll get it for you.
Thank you. Thank you. One. Already, no go to go and go. Mari, when go see. Yeah, to go hard though. Hey, what to go close? But we'll finish it. Jehovah Bonyama, Onyama. Onyama me. Jehovah Bonyama, Onyama. Onyama me, Bonyama, Onyama. Omembo dimunonu Jehovah Bonyama. Wakabati niwe.
Pam. Hello, ta. Chinelo. Chinelo.
Hey.
Hello, ta.
Ngozi.
How are you?
I'm very fine. You're welcome.
Thank you, my dear. Hello, ta. In fact, I've gone to the farm. You people did a great job there.
Oh, thank you very much.
I love what you people did there.
Thanks for the compliment.
Thank you.
I told you we are good at this job.
I love what you people did there.
Thank you very much.
Thank you very much for the job well done.
You're welcome.
So instead of giving you people 3,000 as we agreed, I've made it 4,000. So
4,000?
In fact, I'm very happy.
Hey! 1, 2, 3, 4. Hey!
I'm very happy.
Thank you very much. Thank you very much. Hi! God will continue to bless you.
Amen.
We continue to bless you and your family.
Amen.
Hey! Ngozi, thank you for the food. I love the okpaka you added to the yam sauce.
You love
it was very, very wonderful.
Wow.
Don't mind my sister that was talking of apple. Thank you very much.
My regards to your sister. Hey. All right. 4,000.
Thank you.
You're welcome.
Hey.
What is wrong with you? Since today you've not been happy. Are you sick?
Sister, I'm not sick. I'm just tired of this job. I'm tired of this farming. I won't do it again.
So, if we don't do this job now, how do we survive? It's something I want you to ask yourself. You don't get that question.
Sister, we will survive definitely. See, I have plans. I have plans of going to the city. At least join my friends there. I have schoolmates who are over there hustling. I want to join them.
Did you even ask yourself what they are doing there? How are they making their money? Yes, what do they do for a living?
They're into buying and selling. They hustle very hard.
Buying what and selling what?
Goods now. And it's better for me to join them than staying here in the village. I'm tired of this village, oh.
I said you are not going.
Oh, sister.
You are not going.
Sister, I'm tired of this farming thing, oh. I'm tired. Oh, I want to leave this village, oh.
I don't know why you're bent on leaving the village. Eh?
Sister, see, I am tired of this village. I am tired. Some of my mates are no longer in this village. I need to leave here.
I understand you. But always remember what Papa used to say to us. You have to be extremely careful. Iga wadanya. Yes.
But sister, you know I'm always careful. You know that.
See, if you ask me, I'll still tell you to stay back. I know you want to leave because of the situation of things, but I bet you things are definitely going to get better. Now you want to go to the city. You don't even know anyone there. How are you going to start life in the city? Eh? I'm worried about you, about your safety, about your welfare.
Sister, see, you need to stop all these things. Eh? You shouldn't worry about me at this age. I'm a grown-up now. I just need to make a move. I need to leave this village. I need to go and seek a better life out there. You need to understand me. I'm going to be fine. You don't need to worry yourself.
After a while, my brother couldn't cope with the job anymore. He called me and told me he wants to leave for the city. I refused. But at some point, I had to give in. He traveled. But since he left, I've not heard from him. I've not heard anything about him. But I'm very positive that he's alive and healthy and will definitely come back to me someday.
Your uncle is a wicked man.
He's a devil. He's heartless. He dealt with us. I know God will reward him.
It's okay. Take it easy. Not to worry, your brother will come back. Okay?
Amen. Amen. By the grace of God. Amen. He's all I have. Well,
it's alright. You'll be fine, I'm sure.
Amen.
My eyes are fixed on you. Lord, hear my cry. Shimo, 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 Shimo.
Who's that?
Chi,
Why are you here?
how are you? Calm down. I came to see you.
To see me for what?
Calm down. I came to see you.
For what exactly? Didn't my uncle Menka tell you that I am not interested? Okay, let me tell you now. I will not and I will never marry you. I don't even understand young men of these days. I cannot explain it. You want to marry a woman. Instead of you to walk directly and approach a woman, you went to talk to my uncle first, bribed him to talk to me. Instead of approaching me directly to tell me how you feel about me. What kind of a man does that? How can you marry me when you lack boldness? I heard you're a footballer. So how do you now have the mind to attack football when you cannot approach a woman you truly desire to have as a wife? Okay, I am not interested. Please, just get out.
I understand. And I'm sorry. I didn't actually think you would feel this way about it. I didn't think so. But you see, I have the money. I'll take very good care of you. All you just have to do is say yes to me. And I promise you I'll make you the most happiest woman on earth. Chi?
Oh, that's so sweet to hear. Manamba, I am not interested. Go out there and find yourself another woman who would be interested to marry you. I have other things bothering me, and getting married to you is not on the list. Biko.
Lots of things?
Yes.
What could that be? Is it something money can solve? I have the money,
You have the money.
For me, you guaranteed for life. But actually, I'm serious.
Are you that rich? E-money. Okay, please get out. I'm not interested. I'll take care of you. Get out, oh! Ikaku! I'm coming out with hot... Oh, okay, let me fetch hot water now.
It's alright.
think she was this rude to you when you went to see her?
Ichi, to be very honest with you, no one has ever talked to me. There is no woman on earth that's ever spoken to me the way that girl did. I felt insulted. Honestly, if it is not because of my research, because I've heard people say good things about her, you know, that is why I'm picking these things from her. Otherwise, I would have left her since. There are lots of other girls I would actually just pick from. But the reason why I'm here is, actually, I am still interested, Ichi, and that is why I'm here. So that you can at least help me talk to her. Let her know that I'm ready to wait on her. You know?
Daniel,
Ichi,
you are a good man. And I will go to her and she will come back to you and apologize.
It's okay.
How
She
about-
has to.
She must.
She really has to apologize.
Yes.
So, Maka, this girl, Balma, she really needs to apologize. She has to. It's okay. Since you have said this, I'll take my leave now. But by the way, the earlier you do this, the better for me. You know, my plans are that I finalize everything before returning back to my base. So please, the earlier we get it done, the better for me. Pico, please.
Daniel, I hate repeating myself.
It's okay.
Chinelo is your wife. She must accept marrying you.
It's all right.
That is for sure.
It's all right.
You understand?
It's all right.
But after...
There is no problem. Yes. You know I will always be there.
Ow! Wait, ow, ow, ow. Something just entered my eyes. Ow! 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 Ooh! Blow one more time.
Okay.
Ah!
Sorry.
Ah!
Are you okay?
Wait, blow one more time. Alright.
Sorry.
I think it's out. What?
Nothing.
Why are you staring at me like that?
Nothing. I'm trying to check if the thing is still in your eyes.
All these insects flying. They just flew into my eyes.
How are you feeling?
I'm fine.
Good morning, Che.
Good morning. Is your father still sleeping?
No, he's in his room.
Tell him I'm here.
Okay, Che.
You see what I'm saying? That young man plays football overseas and he wanted to marry from this community. But Chinelo did her worst by insulting the living day life out of that young man.
Who is this young man from this community that plays football?
I'm surprised you don't know him. He is son of Gabriel Uma from Isieke.
Oh, now I remember. That young man. But why did she reject him?
Was that not what I was telling you? That Chinelo does not know what she wants. She wants to remain in our family and turn to mother hen. But that will not happen. as long as I am still alive.
Well, the young man should keep pressing. Moreover, to woo a woman is not just easy. If truly he loves her, let him continue trying. Let him try more.
After the insult, how long will he keep pressing? Opportunity come but once.
No. That I disagree. This thing POOR, passing over opportunity repeatedly. Yes, when you make your decision final, it's okay.
I don't think so. Well,
okay, now let us take it out.
Naija. Yes? Gerald is seeing another woman. He is cheating on me. I can take anything from a man, but not him cheating on me.
How do you know he's cheating on you?
I saw a pant in his bathroom.
Cynthia, just that? How are you sure the pants is not his?
Come on, girl. I know the difference between male and female undies. What I saw in there is a G-string. What is my Gerald doing with a G-string?
Still, you have to forget about it. Yes, don't let it distract you. Listen, I don't need to remind you what you'll be losing if you leave him. What are we even talking about? Even the monks cheat. Then who is Gerard?
Who said I'm leaving him? I am not leaving him for any gold digger out there.
Better.
Never. I am in, and that will remain there for better and for worse.
Now you're talking.
But please, do not get the ordained involved in this our matter. Be cool.
Whatever. What I'm saying is that you should play your games very well. Else, you'll be at the losing end.
I will try. But a cheating man disgusts me. I can't imagine him touching another woman and then coming to touch me.
I can't imagine him touching another woman and then coming to touch me. Let me tell you something, girlfriend. Even the Bible couldn't stop men from cheating. Are you listening to me? Like I said before, play your games well. Else you'll be at the losing end. It's like all those clothes when they buy you don't like them.
I'm waiting on God for my change. Oh, He holds the answer to all my questions.
Hey, you're still waiting for her? Eh?
Waiting for who?
Okay, and I'm still waiting for who? Are you missing Chinelu?
Mama, I'm not waiting for her or missing her. I'm just worried why she hasn't come. It's been 3 days now and she usually doesn't stay this long before coming.
That one is not a problem. Sometimes she stays away for 3 days. Either maybe she's ill or she has gone to the market to sell her chickens or fruits, vegetables. She's into all kinds of business.
I see.
Just admit you miss and stop pretending.
Hey, Mama, this girl is beginning to talk to. Will you shut your mouth up? What makes you think I'm missing her? Can you imagine?
Wait. But why don't you go and visit her?
Mama, visit her for what? Why should I visit her?
I know you don't know her house. I can direct you.
Okay, Chi.
It's not direct. Just go and take him there. In your room to talk.
Mama, you haven't said what your plans are.
I have no plans, though. Ha! Chukubinenigwe man, I have no plans. He's the only one that directs the footsteps of the righteous. And you're one of the righteous.
Okay.
Hey.
I hear you.
Yeah, I'll get you. Itakofe, did you make the soup? KJ acquire. Mama. Sifalia. You know what Naija.
Yes?
How far?
I'm fine. Steve, is your brother home?
Yes.
He's calling.
Alright, hold on, I'm coming.
Good afternoon, sir.
Uju, how are you?
I'm fine, sir.
How's the business going?
Fine, sir. But, sir, we need more spoons and plates. Someone booked 200 pieces, and I don't know what to do, sir.
Have they made payments?
Yes, sir. They paid in full, sir.
Oh. 200 pieces, you said?
Yes, sir.
Okay, then buy the items you need.
Alright, sir.
You said they paid in full, right?
Yes, sir.
Then buy everything you need.
Okay, sir.
Alright, thank you.
Thank you, sir.
Let me know when you do that.
Okay, sir.
Alright.
Yeah.
Bye.
This girl is trying, no. She takes this business as like so serious.
And do you have a problem with that?
No.
Yeah, she takes the business seriously because I'm paying her. You and I know that you're not useful to me as a sister. If I ask you to take care of the business now, you leave the business and go straight to choir practice. Come to think of it, I need to investigate that choir master of yours because these days you've been acting very, very strange and suspicious. True or false?
False.
Where's Mama?
She went to see Chinelo. She's very sick.
She went to see Chinelo because she's very sick. What's wrong with her?
I don't know. She got an information that Mama Chinelo is sick, so she went to see her.
Ah. And she didn't tell me before going out.
Najum, when you see Mama, you ask her now. Are you asking me? After you said I'm useless. Let me remain useless. God. Lovette. I've been seeing Ebuka and Chinelo all over this village. Yeah, together, every time. And I think something is going on.
Something like what?
Are you a kid? Ebo mazi. Nya go no I'm saying I'm an asigo kwage. Don't just pretend as if you don't know what I'm saying. Both of them have become an item in this village. And if I say it, I won't go to jail.
I don't think so. Chinelo is a good friend to the family. Ogechi's mother loves her a lot. The son came back, saw the bond they all shared. What do you expect? To hate her?
Basaram. What I know is that something is going on. And you know Ebuka had some issues with his business. As I heard, Lovette. And he came back so that Chinelo might be keeping him busy and all that. But you can still ask Ogechi, your friend. Maybe she'll tell you the truth.
And what if she doesn't know?
Lovette, you put your ears on the ground.
Asile.
Manoginege. I'll stop telling you things.
As if you can.
What is your problem? Why are you an issue? What did Ogechi do to you? She said she doesn't want issues. That is why she did not report you to Ebuka. And you know Ebuka's madness is bigger than yours. Be careful.
Ijoma, what you are saying now is what we call complete and capital rubbish. If you're saying I should let anyone that insults me in this village to go free, then you need to go for medical checkup in your brain. No? Look at this girl. Who is Ebuka? Why Ebuka. I don't know why these village people are not fearing me. Every time Ebuka's madness. Let Ebuka put his madness in Ghana must go. Carry it and come here. Let me bring my own madness. I'm a little boss. Pa!
Mind your business. I will not say it again. You are not ashamed of yourself. You are here fooling yourself. Your mates are moving around every morning and night, isn't it? Common Okada or Keke that men are using to fend for themselves. You cannot even go for it. Continue.
Oh, you are very lucky. Well, Ijoma, I don't blame you. You should count yourself very, very lucky that you are my sister. If not for the fact that you are my sister, who are you to stand in front of me and talk rubbish? Look at this girl. You are very lucky you are my sister. If not, the kind of thunder that would have fired you now, even the thunder will shout. The thunder will shout to Jesus.
Me?
Look at this girl. Yeah, talking about me. Who is Ebuka? Nah, rubbish.
I've said my own. It's for your own good. It's for your own good. If you like, don't.
Who is Ebuka? Who is Ebuka? Nah, talk to me well. I don't want to vex. Who is Ebuka? Pa! Where is Ebuka again?
James, stop there. James, in a buzzer. Oh. Hey, Akuyeku. Akuku Nyaro and Achiwaso. Your evil deeds is going after you, not me. You will continue to run until you run into your grave unless you change. I can never go after you, never. Run faster. Fellow. Criminal, Onyohi. Look at him. Constituting nuisance here and there. Village champion, Onyohi. Your mates are in the city, doing business right here. Running from one place to the other, criminal.
When did it start?
A few days ago, but I've taken some drugs.
Sorry. Have you had something to eat?
I've not eaten. I don't even have strength to cook anything.
So you haven't eaten all day?
Yes.
What would you like to eat?
I don't really have appetite like that, but I can manage rice.
Rice?
Rice.
Okay. Ugechi, here's some money. Quickly get her something to eat, okay? She said rice.
No problem. I'm coming. Thank you so much. Thank you. God bless you.
Are you thanking me for buying you food?
Yes, for caring for me.
You've equally been very nice to my mother. You've been taking care of my mother. You've been caring for her. So a little kindness. I feel like you deserve it, right?
Thank you so much.
You're welcome. Sorry, eh? Get well soon. Okay? You'll be fine. Sorry, you'll be fine, okay?
Thank you.
Sorry. Sorry. She'll be back with your food soon, okay?
Dan.
Good afternoon, sir.
How are you, my son?
Very well, very well. You asked me to come immediately. I hope there's no problem.
No problem, all is well.
Okay.
The opportunity to express your true self has just presented itself.
Opportunity?
Yes, opportunity.
I don't understand. What do you mean?
Well, I spoke in proverb, but Chinelo has been down with fever.
You don't mean it?
For a couple of days now, she has not gone out.
Wow.
So if you can go to her and show her lots of love and kindness, that will change her perspective towards you. And she will know that you truly love her.
Iche. It's all right. I'll do just that. I'll make sure I make very good use of this opportunity.
You better do. This is the time.
Thank you very much.
Yes.
I really appreciate all you do.
No problem.
Thank you very much, Iche.
Dan.
I'll run along now. Thank you very much, sir.
You're my man.
It's all right,
anytime.
sir.
Okay.
What's up? How you doing? Come on, what is it? Is this how you're going to welcome me to your home?
Who is she?
Who is who?
Please don't give me that pretentious attitude. I ask, who is the girl you are cheating on me with?
Babe, I don't know what you're talking about and I'm not cheating on you.
Gerald, is there need for all these unnecessary lies? Are you forgetting that she left behind her undies in your bathroom? I ask again, who is she?
Oh, the pant. Is it not yours?
Yes, the pant. Gerald, I ask again, who does that pant belong to?
You're the only woman I have. You're the only woman in my house. So if it's not yours, then who owns it?
Kenna, what's funny about what I said?
I just remembered we had this conversation about Chinelo being a local girl. Did you remember what I told you?
And what about what you told me?
Okay. With what you just said now, it's obvious you're falling for her. You love Chinelo. And I must say this, I am very happy that my friend has finally gotten over the girl that broke his heart. The Jezebel in the city. Ah! This is a great testimony.
Ikenna, are you even sure this is love? We really have to check.
Have you not been in love before?
Well, I didn't say that, but it doesn't change that she's a local village girl.
Okay. But you are in love.
No, I'm serious. If that pant does not belong to you, then who owns it?
Like,
I
seriously?
even brought it back to you. Yeah, hold on. This. Is it not yours?
That rubbish you are holding is not mine.
You're the only woman I have in that house, so, I mean...
Gerald, are you asking me this question for real? You are asking me who the pants that I saw in your bathroom belongs to?
My dear, I'm so sorry. Oh no, I remember now. Yes, it's Nkiru's pant. Nkiru, my sister. You know, she came to the house to collect her school fees and she spent a night with me. You know, but how could Nkiru forget her pants in my bathroom? Why?
As far as I'm concerned, what you are telling me now is nothing but a fairy tale.
Hold on.
You are yet to say the truth.
Bianchiru, can you hear me? Huh? This is a pant wrap in the bedroom. And it's causing problem between me and my fiancé. What kind of rubbish is this? Pink pant for that matter. Eh? What rubbish? How can you forget your pants in my bedroom? Eh? Are you that careless? It's causing problem for me. You shouldn't have done that. Yeah? See, come to the house over the weekend and collect this rubbish. Let this nonsense stop. I don't want it. What rubbish now? Are you satisfied now? Thank you. Eh? Yeah, I don't like this rubbish, oh. I like it. Babe. Yeah, I can't think you. Babe.
What is wrong with you? The last time you came here, I told you to stop coming. That I'm more interested in whatever you're looking for. Why are you here again today?
I heard you're nowhere, and that's why I came. Came to help you to the hospital.
Don't worry about me. I'm well and very healthy. Whoever that told you that lied to you.
Chinelo, why do you actually hate me this much? You don't even know me. You know nothing about me. Yet you have so much hatred for me. Why?
Nice question. I will answer you. I don't want to marry you. I hate you because you're not man enough. You want to marry me. Instead of walking straight to me, you went behind me to speak to my uncle. That is not what real men do. In Ania, and because of that singular act, I will never marry you. It shows you're not capable of handling marital affairs. If you're that desperate about getting married to a woman, go and talk to my uncle. He has a daughter who is still single. Propose to her, marry her.
But I have said I am sorry. I have said I am sorry. But right now, I don't think that's what's even important. Let me take you to the hospital. You need treatment. You need to be taken care of. Please. Please, that's what we should be talking about now.
Don't worry, I'm fine. Thank you.
Okay, if that be the case, I have some beverages I got for you in the car.
I don't want beverages.
You need these things. You need these things, Chi.
No.
You need these things.
Please go now. Go now.
I don't like the way you're treating me, Chi.
I don't need it.
You need them.
Please go.
Chi.
I said go. You're stressing me.
Chinelo. Damn. This is bad. What do I do next? Chi. It's all right.
Ogechi, for Chinelo to reject Dan, who has gone abroad and has made money as a footballer, means a lot. The other day, Amarachi was so sure that Chinelo and Ebuka has become an item. I was just telling her to mind her business. But with what I am saying now, it is very clear.
See, they are all adults and can decide what they want. All I know is that we are all friends. Chinelo is a friend to the family, and my mother loves her so much. So, if she rejects a suitor, that's her decision. Mind you, someone that lives in Obodo is not a criteria that a woman must say yes.
You are right. They are not doing anything to get off where?
I don't know what you're saying.
You have to know.
I don't know what you're saying, honest. I don't leave.
Babe. Yes? I have been wrong all this while.
Wrong about what? Gerard?
Yes. He was here earlier with the pant I told you I saw in his bathroom, thinking it belongs to me. But after giving him a piece of my mind, he then recalled that it was Nkiruka, his sister, who left it behind when she came visiting.
How are you sure that pant actually belongs to his sister?
Of course, he placed a call to her in my presence, and with that, I believe him 100%. Like they talked, he even scolded her not to try such again. And with that, I believe him.
Okay? It's good you believe them. Whether he's telling you the truth or not, you just have to believe him, okay? That's all that matters.
I have already. I believe my Gerald, though. I know he cannot do such a thing. He cannot cheat on me.
Cynthia, to tell you the truth, you both look good together. Yes. Listen, he's human and he's prone to make mistakes. Okay? I am happy you are happy. Alright?
Thank you.
You're welcome. Let's go to the sitting room. There's something I want to show you.
For you.
Yes. God, what's that? Surprise. Just come with me.
Okay.
Hello? Hey, Enke, see, I'm sorry about what I told you on the phone, okay? Forget about it. I just used that to cast a stubborn woman into my bosom. Okay? It's okay. Tell Mama that I'll be coming by weekend to see her. It's okay. Bye, dear.
I've never seen you with any man before.
That's because I don't have any man in my life.
So are you trying to say there are no men in this village?
That's not what I'm saying. What I'm saying is that I've not seen a good man who can take care of me and love me genuinely.
Oh.
And you know I hardly go out. I don't really go out like that.
So what about me?
I don't know.
What about me? Are you saying I'm not good as well?
You've not told me anything before now. I don't know.
I have to tell you something. What about me? Come close. Come. What about me? You don't think I'm a good man?
I don't know. You've not told me anything. True, babe.
Based all I see, no one will rescue me except you, Lord. My eyes are fixed on you, Lord. Oh yeah, my pride. Life is hard on me. Pain's all I see. Oh, no one.
Cynthia, when will you absence? When will you absence? Don't you know you were supposed to call somebody before coming to their house? Or don't you know you were supposed to knock before entering? You just entered as if you're the one paying the rent. Cynthia, receive sense. I'm sorry. It will not happen again. I promise. It will not happen again. Please forgive me. I'm sorry. I promise it will not happen again. I promise, I swear. It will not happen again. Please, don't forgive me.
Come on, sit down.
Just watch and see. Have you forgiven me?